Imagine gazing at the night sky, the stars twinkling like diamonds scattered across a black velvet canvas. Each one is a sun, potentially hosting planets of its own. But what if one of those planets, far beyond our reach, was eerily similar to Earth? Could there be a world where alien waves crash against unknown shores, where strange creatures roam, or even where an advanced civilization watches their own night sky and wonders the same thing about us? Today we embark on a journey that defies time and space to explore Kepler-452b, the most Earth-like exoplanet ever discovered. But is it truly a second Earth or just a cruel mirage of cosmic hope? Buckle up, because what we uncover might change everything we know about our place in the universe. The quest to find another habitable planet has been a dream of astronomers for decades. The Kepler Space Telescope, launched in 2009, was designed for one purpose: to scan the galaxy for exoplanets that orbit their stars within a habitable zone, the so-called Goldilocks zone, where conditions might be just right for liquid water and perhaps life. Among the thousands of exoplanets detected, one stood out: Kepler-452b. This planet orbits a star much like our Sun and in many ways mirrors Earth. But how similar is it really? Kepler-452b sits 1,800 light-years away in the constellation Cygnus. Its host star is a G-type main sequence star, much like our Sun, but 1.5 billion years older. It orbits its star once every 385 days, so close to Earth's 365-day orbit that it almost seems like a celestial twin. But here's where the similarities shift. Kepler-452b is about 60% larger than Earth and 5 times its mass. This means gravity on this world would be nearly twice as strong. Walking on its surface would feel like carrying another version of yourself on your back at all times. Could human settlers ever adapt to such an environment? Now let's take a hypothetical look at what this world might be like. If we could stand on its surface, what would we see? Would we recognize its landscapes? Or would it be an alien world beyond our wildest imagination? Given its position in the habitable zone, Kepler-452b might have vast oceans, towering mountains, and an atmosphere thick with clouds. If there is water, it could host strange, unseen life. Picture deep blue seas stretching into the horizon, teeming with organisms unlike anything on Earth. Imagine forests of bizarre, towering plants that have evolved under a slightly stronger pull of gravity. But here's the twist. If Kepler-452b's atmosphere is too thick, it could be experiencing a runaway greenhouse effect like Venus. Instead of a paradise, it could be a scorching wasteland, wrapped in dense, unbreathable gases. History has shown us how fragile habitability can be. Venus and Mars, 2 planets in our own solar system, might have once been like Earth. But Venus turned into a furnace, while Mars became a frozen desert. What can these worlds teach us about Kepler-452b's fate? One possibility is that if life did develop on Kepler-452b, it may have been forced to adapt dramatically to its evolving climate. If intelligent beings exist there, they might be far ahead of us, perhaps even a billion years more advanced. Think about this. The dinosaurs ruled Earth for millions of years, but never developed technology. Humans have only existed for a fraction of that time, but have already begun reaching for the stars. If life on Kepler-452b followed a similar path, but had an extra billion years of evolution, imagine what they might have achieved. The greatest challenge is the sheer distance. At 1,800 light-years away, even our fastest spacecraft would take millions of years to reach it. But what if we could bend the rules of physics? Future breakthroughs in warp travel or wormholes could one day make interstellar journeys possible. Until then, we rely on telescopes, data, and our imagination. Whether Kepler-452b is a habitable paradise or a barren wasteland, it stands as a symbol of possibility. It reminds us that our universe is vast and full of potential Earth-like worlds. If there are others like our planet, then maybe, just maybe, we are not alone. So what do you think? Is Kepler-452b a second Earth, or is it another warning about the delicate balance of habitability? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this journey, make sure to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the wonders of the cosmos. Until next time, keep looking up.